Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and to this video that's going to be a bit of a giveaway. I'm going to try and speed through this. The reason why I'm having my giveaways as a separate video is because how you enter my giveaway is by commenting on a video, and it's nice for me to separate those entries from normal comments, otherwise it will be so hard for me. But this is going to be my 70k giveaway. Thank you so much for getting me to 70k, although we'll say while I'm filming this I dropped a bit, so let's hope I don't go under 70k again. YouTube is hard. Are you getting tired of me? I hope you're not. I'm gonna have two winners. I had two winners last time as well. There's gonna be a bunch of palettes. Some of these I bought myself. Some of these I got as PR. There's also gonna be like more of a first prize and then the second prize. Is that how you say it? But if the person that I draw first wants the second prize, of course they can, and the one that I draw second will get the first prize. But I'll let the first winner decide. How you enter this giveaway is by being subscribed to my channel and by having your subscriptions visible. If you don't know how to do that, there's going to be some kind of a link or description in my description box letting you know how to do that. You don't have to do it forever, but you need to have it visible at the end of the giveaway so that I know whether or not you are subscribed to my channel when I'm looking for a winner. And you also need to comment on this video and like it and let me know. So like and comment and let me know if you like, what would you like me to film? Yeah, I would like to know that. Like, if you could decide what kind of videos I would start filming on my channel, what would that be? Like, I'd love to hear about that. And if you see someone else commenting something fun, like it or like comment on that one as well, because let's have this as a bit of a survey as well. I'd love to know what you want to see. So there's going to be a first prize winner and there's going to be a second prize winner. This giveaway is open international and it is open until the 21st. It's going to be 3 weeks because I do know that sometimes my subscribers do not get my videos in the subscription boxes, so it gives you some time to find it if you didn't get a notification. And is that everything I want to say? It's open international. I will pay for the shipping. If there's any taxes or duties, I will unfortunately not be held responsible for that. Don't forget to check the description box for all of the details. But overall, entering my giveaways is very easy. You're entering a giveaway, you're not taking on a part-time job. That's all you need to do. And if you want to check out my Instagram, I will be so happy. I am very happy about my Instagram. I do post quite a lot, so I will leave my Instagram as well down below. That is not an additional entry, but I'd be so happy if you check me out. It'd be so fun. Also, this makeup look, just filmed it. It is already live on my channel, and I will also link that down below if you want to see how I did this pinky green thing. Okay, let's start with the first winner and what you will get. I will show you some more bigger things like palettes, and then I will show you that I have a full box of smaller things as well. And I will also let you know which of these things I bought myself. Because the first thing, and this is why there are two items that I feel are bigger ticket items, and that's the reason why I'm putting this as the first prize. And the first thing is the Glamlight Burger palette. I got two palettes sent to me from Glamlight as PR. One of them was a palette that I was myself interested in picking up. That was a taco palette. I am still going to film with that one. I'm going to film and Get Ready With Me. Hopefully it's going to be up real soon. And then I got the burger palette, and it is absolutely striking. So beautiful, but it's too big. And that is not the kind of palette I reach for. So I feel sad if I use the palette only once and then never got back to it. So instead, I am going to try the taco palette. I have heard from people that have reviewed both this one and the taco palette that it is the same quality in both of the shadows. So if I like that one, I know I'm going to like this one. Overall though, gonna let you know, I love the Glamlight shadow formula. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm so excited to be giving this away to someone who's going to appreciate it more than I will, because it's not the size, it's not my cup of tea. That's not what she said, but that's what I'm saying. Also, I'm gonna give away something, and this is the big ticket item because this is a pricey thing. I am giving away a Refer brush set. This is the core brush set, and this is probably the most expensive thing I've ever given away on my channel. This is natural hair bristles. So if you do not use natural hair bristles, you can either choose to not get the brush set, or if you still want to get it and give it to someone else, that's totally fine. These are luxury brushes. This is a good brush set. Thank you so much, Refer, for giving me another set so that I could give it away. That is so kind of you. Love the Refer brushes. You know I've talked so much about them lately, and I'm so excited to be giving you a core set to the lucky first winners. so excited about that. Okay, let me show you what else I got. I also have the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's. It's actually the palette I have on my eyes today together with something else. This is a very nice palette, and when I bought this palette, I bought two. So I did buy this palette myself. If you want to see the video where I do the looks, it's linked down below, like I said. I'm also giving away the California Love palette by Colourpop. I did get sent this SPR, and I've taken a picture of this, and I'm so sorry but I lost the box, but I haven't touched this palette. It's never been touched, but I'm so sorry I lost the box. So I hope that is okay. I haven't touched it, I promise. I have no idea where the box went. I'm so sorry. It is a beautiful palette. It was the summer palette. It's just not for me. Like you see it's not for me. I've heard people really loving it though, so I think it's really nice quality. Something else that I'm giving away is the main squeeze. This is my main squeeze. The main squeeze that I'm giving away is actually at a friend's house. I'm gonna pick it up before I send this out, obviously. But there's gonna be a main squeeze in. This is my main squeeze. It is a very, very nice palette, and I'm super excited to be including it as well. The last items that are in the first winner bundle, it is the But First Quench It. This is a quad from Colourpop with 4 Super Shock shadows. This was with the orange set. These shadows are beautiful. I have already so many Super Shock shadows. I actually already have one of these. This one, Bumblebee, I have that one. So I decided that I'm gonna give this away instead because I love the Super Shock shadows, but I have like 15, and the last thing I need is to open 4 more. So I'm gonna give this away as well. Another thing that I'm giving away is the Bella Pierre Heat Wave highlighter. This actually looks really, really nice, and I actually got some comments when I got this in a subscription box saying that this was really nice. So this is apparently a really nice formula. It is some more cool tones, some more warm tones, one that seems a bit icy, and then is this beautiful pink one at the end. So if this is nice quality, people said it is, so I'm giving it to you because I don't need another highlighter palette, and I hope that you will like it. I'm also giving away one of the quads from Isadora. I did get 2 quads from Isadora, and I'm keeping one of them, and I'm gonna give one away. It still has the plastic on, like you can see. This is the Urban Jungle. This is from the autumn collection, this autumn collection. So this is a new released quad, and I really like the Isadora shadow quality, and I'm super excited to be sharing it with you. Those are the bigger ticket items in the first prize. I'm also going to show you another little basket. See, this is a basket filled with like smaller things. There's single shadows, bronzers, blushes, lippies, like there are lots of Makeup Geek singles, there are some false lashes, some lip glosses, a Colourpop lipstick. There's a bunch of things here, glitters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this box between the first and the second winner, so you will both get a bunch of single shadows, some blushes. I think there's at least 2 blushes, so at least you get 1 each, and then there's some eye pencils and like lip products, and I think it's gonna be a really nice thing, so you both get a bunch of these. I think that all of these are things that I've gotten in PR that I have gotten duplicates of, which is crazy because now that I look at it, and like for example these blushes, they're really nice, but I got 3 and I'm only keeping 1, so I'm giving 2 away. The Makeup Geek singles are duplicates. The Luxe lipstick is a duplicate. Like I got a lot of loose glitters from brands, and I have a lot of loose glitters, so when I get glitters that seem like they are dupes, I'd rather give them away. And then a lot of like other lip products and stuff from Colourpop that are duplicates. So some stuff here that I'm just gonna divide between the first and the second winner, so you can get some fun stuff to share between you. It's good to be some fillers. Some fillers. Let me get the second box and I can show you what the second place winner will win. Okay, these are the prizes that are in the second prize, and if the first winner, the one that gets drawn first, for some reason doesn't want the first package and instead wants this one, I'll just give the first package to the first winner, but I kind of think you would want to get the first prize because those are more. I'm giving you the Nubian 3 Coral. I did buy this palette myself, but then Juvia's Place sent me a duplicate, so I'm giving away the duplicate. I'm also doing the exact same thing with the Orange Glad from Colourpop. I bought the Orange Glad and then Colourpop sent me another one, so I have 2. I'm also giving you the Lilac palette by Blush Tribe. This is for the exact same reason, because this palette is a combination. I'm going to show you because I haven't swatched this, obviously. This is a combination between the Blossom palette and the Hasina 1. This one still has the plastic on, and it is shades that are like available in those 2 palettes, and those palettes are being discontinued, but I own those 2 palettes and they are still fully functional, so there's no reason for me to have some duplicates. So I'm gonna give this to you. It is a beautiful palette and I really like the Blush Tribe shadow, so I hope you will enjoy it as well. I'm also gonna give you the NYX Ultimate in Phoenix. This is like a warm palette with some yellows in it. It also has some burgundies here. This actually seems like quite a nice palette if you like the autumny warm kind of color scheme, because it's a bit fiery. It has a red, some oranges, a burgundy, and 2 yellows, and then some neutrals at the bottom. So I don't hate the color scheme, it's just not for me. You're also getting another NYX Ultimate. I did get 2 of these smaller palettes, and I did save the one, I think it's called Ash. It's a cool tone palette, but this one is a more of a rainbow palette, and I have rainbow palettes, so I'm gonna give this away. This is called the Ultimate Edit. I think these are shades from the palettes that are like this, but the brights ones, I think these are shades from that palette. So I'm gonna give this away as well, because I already have those shades. And then I am giving away, and this is also a palette from a subscription box. Let me open this one. I haven't obviously touched it. It is from Bang Beauty, and it is the Warm Neutral palette. It is a very cute throw in your bag kind of a palette if you do your makeup on your way to work, or if you do your makeup on the after the gym or stuff. It is a nice palette, but as you can see, this isn't my color scheme, but it's very nice and handy. I mean, it's even smaller than the ColourPop 9pan palettes, so I do like the size of it. And if you are looking for like a staple palette with a nice size, this could be good. Like this one, this came in a subscription box and I didn't need it, so I'm gonna give it away to you. And this one also has a highlighter palette. This is the Sleek highlighting palette in, what is this one called? Distorted Dreams. I got a duplicate of this one, and this wasn't my favorite formula, so I'm gonna give this away. And I thought it'd be fun to give it to you because maybe the winner hasn't tried these kind of colored multi-chrome iridescent highlighters, and then it could be fun. This has a mix of creams and powders like most Sleek highlighter palettes have. Maybe you'll like it more than I did. This wasn't my favorite, but there's no need for me to like throw it away, because makeup, like preferences, it's personal, and maybe you'll love it. Just wasn't my favorite, but maybe it'll be yours. Who knows? Okay, those are the prices. I didn't talk that long. I think I did good. Whew! Sometimes I talk so long, it's ridiculous. The way we're doing this giveaway, like I said, be subscribed, have your subscriptions visible, comment and like, and I will pick 2 winners, one first winner and one second winner. Winner, is it called runner-up? Runner-up? Let's not confuse it. And I will comment on your comment. So you don't need to leave your Instagram handle, you don't need to leave your email address. All you need to do is to comment, and after the 21st, probably on the 22nd, maybe I need some time to figure things out, so at least before the 23rd, I will comment on the comments that won. So go back and check your comments or check your notifications, and I will comment back on the 2 winners on your comment, and then all you have to do is comment back on the comment from the account that made the first comment, obviously, and then a comment with your email address, and I will reach out to you. So far, I've done this for several giveaways, and so far this has worked out A+, and everyone has gotten their prizes, and everything has been kind of peachy, so I'm hoping it's gonna work for this one as well. Just know that this is a giveaway by me. It is not in collaboration with either YouTube or any of these brands, even though they've been very nice to give me some stuff that I could give away, either not knowingly through PR, giving me duplicates, or giving me actual things that they knew that I was gonna give away. So thank you so much, brands, for helping me out with that and for giving you some lovely stuff, because without you, this channel will be kind of boring. Let's not lie. But that's gonna be everything. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Bye!